Hello friends, welcome back again. Credit Suisse is hiring for the QA automation testing engineer up to 0 to 1 years of experience, experienced candidate they need. If you are a fresher, no problem. If you are having up to 1 year of experience, you can also apply. Okay, so both fresher as well as experienced candidate can apply. Job location will be Pune. This is full-time position, not a contract position. And let me show you the what will be what they are expecting. Eligibility criteria: bachelor or master degree in IT or computer science or any related field. Fresher, that means 0 months or 1 year of professional experience with excellent coding skill using Java or Python. So those who are interested in Python, so you can apply, because this is a great opportunity for you from the Credit Suisse company. And Credit Suisse is a MNC company, so definitely they will provide you a good salary package. So don't worry about that, just apply. And you can, during your HR round, you can say your salary expectation. Okay, so knowledge, you should have knowledge in PL SQL, then knowledge in Java, then Java Enterprise Edition, JavaScript and Unix server side application testing. You should have knowledge in Unix operating system and shell scripting. It's not necessary that you should be expert in all these things. If you are having basic knowledge, that is also fine. Knowledge on automation testing with knowledge on with framework Selenium, Cucumber, UFT testing, producing test report, then knowledge with RDBMS database. Okay, so these are the skills and experience they are expecting from the candidates. Your responsibility will be, as the test automation specialist, you will partner and collaborate with IT and business partner to build an automated, generic, sustainable, cost efficient and scalable test execution framework, and to deliver functional improvements. Okay, so once the developer develop any project, okay, once the developer team develop any project, then you need to test that project or application. You need to find out error, bug in that project. You need to write test cases, test script, test document. You need to prepare all these things. Okay, so if you found any bug, then you need to send back to the developer team will fix that issue and again send back to testing team. Okay, so coordinate with fellow developers to define the automated testing components. You need to do multiple type of testing: unit testing, integration testing, black box testing, white box testing, automation testing. There are multiple types of testing that you need to do. Okay, that will be used to validate requirement against developed software, handle test execution of project. Okay, as I earlier mentioned, that you need to you need to prepare test report, test cases, test script, all these things. So you need to handle test execution of project, feeding into the planned releases, ensuring smooth delivery and driving towards application quality. You need to meet the quality of the project. Okay, you need to deliver that project to the client without any bug or error. So you need to maintain the quality of the project. Okay, so basically I'm giving you the overall what will be your roles and responsibilities once you join as a QA automation testing engineer. So basically interviewer might ask you what is automation testing, what will be roles and responsibilities of QA automation. So you can give your answer, including organization walkthrough with BAs, that is business analyst, and walkthrough with business. Provide regular status reporting to the key business partner, including progress, risk, issue and mitigation steps. You need to report your team leader about what bugs you have found, like what test cases you have written, then how it is fixed, like this. Okay, so you need to you need to inform to your team lead or senior person what are the risk, what is your progress in that. Okay, all these things you need to inform. excellent analytical problem solving, troubleshooting skills, and ability to own problems through to resolution. Demonstrate ability to effectively work both independently and within multifunctional project teams, then span multiple time zones. Ability to pick up and learn wide variety of new technologies and topics. They have provided what future colleagues. Okay, there is a requirement in impairment reporting store IRS team, which is mainly create different disclosure report across three GAAP types: CH, GAAP, US, and IFRS 9. Those disclosure reports are mainly used by CRM and RDM users for their analysis and regulatory reporting purpose. So you can search on the Google what is CRM and RDM. Okay, this team caters business requirement across regions, and the team currently diversified by resources with different skill set. The department values and diversity and inclusion D&I is committed to realizing the firm's D&I ambition, which is an integral part of our global culture values. So I have already mentioned what skills and experience they have needed. Fresher can also apply. Okay, so about the salary, Credit Suisse will provide you a good salary package. Don't worry about that, just apply for this drive. Okay, so click here to apply for this recruitment drive, and thanks for watching this video.